We're going to use scientific notation to perform this and to evaluate, and then let's go ahead and write our result in scientific notation. So let's begin by writing each number in scientific notation. This first factor in the numerator, that will be 1.2 times 10 raised to, let's see how many places we moved it. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I'm making the number larger, so it'd be times 10 to the negative 4. And then that's going to be times the next one, 1.44 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the larger number, so that's a positive exponent. In the denominator, I'll have 3 times 10 raised to what power? This is a smaller number. The exponent will be negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. All right, let's go ahead and work on this now. What about the 3 and the 1 and 2 tenths? I can do that in my head. I know 3 divides into 1 and 2 tenths 4 tenths times. I'm just working with my constants, not my powers of 10, which of course are constants also. And then let's go and multiply 4 tenths times 1 and 44 hundredths. I'll let you go off to the side and multiply that. If you do, you'll get 0.576. Now, let's worry about our powers of 10. It just so happens that these two powers of 10 divide out, so I have times 10 to the 5th. Now, the only problem with writing my answer like this is that I want my answer in scientific notation. And remember, for scientific notation, this needs to be a number between 1 and 10. So what I'd like to do is move that decimal point one place to the right. And if I do, I'm using a power of 10 to do that. So I'll have 5.76 times 10 to the 4th power. And by the way, if you'd like to check me, go ahead and write this in standard form, write this in standard form. You should have the same exact number. So here's my answer in scientific notation.